Today, I'm teaching you 2 easy ways to loop a video in CapCut. Perfect if you're creating a background loop, a repeating clip for social media, or just want to extend your video smoothly without re-recording. Let's jump right in. First method would be open CapCut and import your video. Tap the clip in your timeline to select it. Tap duplicate. You'll now see the same video right next to the original. Repeat this step as many times as you want to create a manual loop. Make sure the clips are cut cleanly if you want a seamless loop. Second option would be to add the loop effect. CapCut also has loop style video effects, great for creative transitions. To do that, go to the Effects tab, tap Video Effects, search for loop or similar visual effects under Trending, apply it to your clip. While this doesn't repeat the clip, it gives a looping bite with bounce or boomerang effects. And that's it. 2 quick and easy ways to loop a video in CapCut in 2025. Use the one that works best for your project, whether it's for content, music clips, or storytelling.